Okay. Okay,
And
teacher, if you're watching this, we have done the first 5 questions, right? No,
yep.
we've done the first
Well,
7 questions
yeah.
together, Greg and I, and we just forgot to hit record. So, but we've been using the handy spreadsheet. That's
And
sufficient,
now,
right?
and now we hit a brick wall.
Yeah, now we don't know what to do. This is gonna be fun. Okay.
I've got the textbook thing open and I'm scrolling down to
Okay.
okay, so it sounds like if you take, I think x with the line over it is the median, or is the mean.
Okay.
So I take that x. I still don't get how you figure out what x is, but x minus the mean with just the 4 numbers we did, the mean is 7.
Right.
So I don't know if it's as simple as 19 minus 7 for that column 2A.
Is that deviations from mean? Sorry, I'm trying to find in the text what they're talking about to see if I can verify what you're saying.
Yeah, it's probably like 3/4 of the way down.
Okay. Because I'm at,
It's in 5.1.1, if that helps. There's like a bird.
awesome. Oh, I see a bird. Is it a bluebird?
Yeah, or whatever that is. Yeah.
Answer the following questions. Deviation is value minus mean. I think you're right. But what's the
So,
value?
well, I'm guessing since it's on the row of 19, I'm guessing that they want to know the standard deviation for the value 19.
Yeah, okay, so if you look a little further down where it says deviation equals value minus mean, I think the observation, so it would be 19 minus the
Mean
38.8, which is the mean. So maybe it is just 19 minus
7.
7.
Sounds way too easy, but that's what I'm going to put.
I feel good about that.
I
So
don't know what else to put.
minus 7, so 12
Yeah.
for 8, right?
Give the number. Yeah, that's what I put. Yeah.
Okay.
So
B.
B
So is it the same thing as
is
just value minus mean squared?
squared. Yeah. So if it's 1 minus 7, 36 is.
Hold on, let me
I have
see.
zero
I
confidence
don't
in
have a
my
bigger
math
calculator.
ability. So one, it'd be -6 squared.
Negative 48? Oh, wait.
So I got, so if 1 is the value of x in this one, because that's the row that b's in,
Yep.
so it'd be 1 minus 7.
Yep. And then
So
squared, yeah,
-6,
36.
yeah.
Sorry, I didn't have my
I
common,
mean,
right? I mean,
yeah,
my, what do you call it, brackets?
and I have absolutely no confidence if that's right, but that's,
Hey, you know what? If we're comfortable with it, maybe I'll submit my answers first, if that's what we want to do.
oh, I'll do that. I don't mind doing that.
And then you can submit yours unless we get them all right. What is the standard deviation of survival times? So 8?
How did you get that?
Just in the chart, it says 8. Because all the months are the survival times that they gave us per patient, and then in the chart it spit out the standard deviation.
Oh, you want the Excel thing. Okay.
I think.
Okay, so it says, mine says 8.16.
Yeah, 8.16, and then it says to average it to a month.
Oh, yeah.
So 8?
Your answer in months. Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Because it doesn't say we have to solve for anything, so.
Yeah. The next 3 questions give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit costs. Okay, so now I need to plug back in the data from this other one.
What is the first number?
So the 5-number formula is the minimum, Q1, the medium, the Q3, and the maximum.
Together?
No, like, I think like commas, like those are the 5 numbers that make up.
Oh.
So hold on. So I just plugged in the data. Now let me see what it's asking here. What is the first 5 number? So the first 5 number is the minimum.
Okay.
Is 0.
You got 0. Okay, so that was after you added, you put the minimum and those into those slots. Is that what you're saying?
Okay, so the Excel template that does all of the computation for you.
Yeah.
If you take the data from that other worksheet, the wrong site, wrong patient.
Yep.
Column B is the wrong patient data.
Okay.
So if you plug all of that into column A.
All of those, so like
all of that, all the way down to row.
177.
Yep.
Okay.
And then, so then when you do that, the 5-number summary is made up of the minimum, Q1, medium, Q3, and maximum. And then the first number in the sequence is the minimum, which is 0.
Yeah, that's what I have as well once I entered in those numbers. Okay.
The second number in the 5 summary thing is Q1, which is 3,900.
Okay.
They're skipping, so 4 is Q3.
50145.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 0.5.
0.5, yeah.
Okay. So what?
So this is where they're giving us information. Red box. Answer the 3 questions based on the following box plot. Okay, so this is. Let me just refresh my. The box plot is down at the very bottom of Wiki.
So is that the box plot at the end of the chapter?
Yeah. So the box plot is.
I don't know. I have no idea. Sorry. Kyle, please. Okay.
So the 3 lines that make up the boxes, you see how there's like a peach and a green.
Yeah.
The 3 horizontal lines are the 3 quartile numbers. And then the ones at the end that make up like the line with the little hash mark is
Okay.
the minimum and the maximum. So if it's asking what the third quartile of the red box decision time is,
Is that the one that's just under 200?
yes.
So like what, like 190?
So that sounds good.
I like how they say give an estimated
Yeah,
number. Like, are you just supposed to make one up? Could someone say 189 and that would be correct?
150 to 200 probably.
Pretty much.
So then the longest observed time would be the upper little slash at whatever that is, 715 or 710.
Yeah, let's say, do you want to say 715?
Yeah. And then based on the box plot, the value of the mean is the middle line.
Okay, so that would be like 110, 105?
And yeah, that 110 sounds good. Oh, so this one we have choices, so it's
Oh,
got to be 105.
105.
Yeah.
Are we good with all those?
Boom.
All right, I'm going to submit it. See how we do. I think we got them all right.
Get out of town.
Yeah. Oh, except for the last one.
For real?
Yeah. Based on the blocks plot, what is the value of the mean?
Oh, let me go back to the text here. Sorry, I think that the mean isn't the median.
So the mean is more like the.
Yeah, I would have thought that was right.
The mean is the most common measure of the center and is computed by adding up the observed data and dividing by the number of observations in the data set. So we would take like the 3 numbers we just got.
Now, I bet you the right answer is this cannot be determined because they haven't given us enough information to figure it out. Because these box plots like summarize the data. They don't give you enough to figure out the individual data except for like the minimum and the maximum.
Okay.
I'm guessing that's right, but I'm also not sure that I can re-answer the quiz, and I'm good with the 95%.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Did you submit yours already?
Yeah.
Okay. We can just try again if you want.
Okay.
I mean, and see if it is that one. I mean, I'm fine with the percentage, but I mean, we may as well.
I'm curious actually to see if that's. I don't know what else that would be based on what the wiki is describing as what the median is, at least. If you go to step 6 on that, it sort of gives you the breakdown of the box plot. You see that?
Yeah, and then I see the summary where I'm like, okay, the summary is what it's talking about right after that, and I'm like, okay. But that's the only thing that it says. Okay.
Yeah, I'd say that if we redid it, that this cannot be determined is probably the right answer.
You want to go? Should we try and do it again? I just took a picture of all the answers.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'll just open up another page and leave this one open. I think you're allowed to do that. Oh, that's pretty cool. We got all these other ones right though.
I know, makes me feel like we're smart.
I know. Well, at least the Excel thing is.
I know, right? Okay, so number 3 is 80,041. And then number 4 is 68552. Number 5 is 71403. Number 6 is 7. 7 is 4. Number 8 is 12. 9 is 36. Sorry, am I going too quick?
Nope.
Okay. 10 is 8. 11 is 0. 12 is 3,900. 13 is 50,145.5. And then 14 is 190. 15 is 715. And we were going to say 16 cannot be determined, right?
Yeah, I think that's the next best answer.
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure, but
Well, I mean, if you even figure 190, let's just even figure this out and see if the number is close to one of those. 190 plus, what do we say, 105 plus 50 divided by 3 is 115. So I don't think that so I'm good with that.
mathematically the other ones don't make sense.
No,
Any
so
way you do the math.
if it was going to be close to one of those, I would have said, hey, we should probably go with one of those based on the math, but it's not. So, okay, I'm going to submit the quiz. We got it right.
Boom.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Okay. All right. Are we supposed to try and do the homework too?
It said in I saw her comments to all of the other groups, and she said if necessary. So
Sure.
Wasn't required. The group quiz was the only thing required to go over for the group. So.
Okay. Do you want to go over the homework, or do you want to just do it on your own?
No, I'll do. Yeah.
Sorry, what was that?
Ready. I'm good if you want to go get ready. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
I can do it. Yeah.
Okay.
Positive.
Okay. I think I should be good then. Thank you for your help. I'm glad I was able to do that while we're on the call. So thank you.
Hopefully the other people will start joining. I think one of them said this week that she couldn't do it. So hopefully next week.
I hope so too. I mean, I feel bad, but what do you have that goes on Tuesdays and Thursdays? Do you work on Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Yeah, I have meetings that I can't get out of that. I could do like earlier in the day, but I can't do after
yeah.
This. Yeah.
Yeah, and this time works fine for me. So, I mean, unless they say otherwise, I mean, I'm happy to do earlier in the day or even in the morning if that works for them. Like
me too. I originally had signed up for morning ones, but no one signed up for it. So.
Yeah, I mean, because my work schedule is really flexible. I don't have to be at work until like 10, really. Okay. Like, if once a week works better for them on like a Tuesday morning at 7 or 8.
Yeah, no, I can do mornings too. So.
I could probably make that work. So. I will send this to the group and then maybe make a comment that, hey, moving forward, does Monday and Wednesday still work for everybody at 6? If not, would mornings at like 7 or 8 o'clock work better for everybody, and just see what people say.
Okay.
So, cool.
All right.
Well, I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
No problem. Have a good weekend. I'll see you.
Have a good trip. All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.